Hello and welcome back to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. You know who I am. I've got prep done. Let's take a look. Today I'm doing and preparing Hawaiian style teriyaki chicken. This recipe was originally supposed to be boneless, skinless breast done on the grill. I turned it into a stir fry. So I've got some chicken thighs, sliced up chunks of red onion, a spare zucchini that I had, didn't want to go to waste. Same thing with the carrots. When I went to the store, I picked up a small red pepper. Of course, there's pineapple because it's Hawaiian. And here's the fresh green onions. There's the marinade, aka sauce. Yes, I'm going to marinate the chicken. And some garlic and some ginger. So there it is, folks. Some handiwork with the knife. That's all it is. So, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.